Good afternoon. This is lesson 2 in the introduction of the New Testament. What is the Bible? The Bible, also known as Holy Bible, is a group of religious texts of Judaism and Christianity. The word Bible comes from the Greek word Biblia, which means books in English, because it is many books in one book. It includes laws, stories, prayers, songs, and wise words. The Bible was written by over 40 authors. It tells us about God. The Bible is actually a collection of books, some long, some short. The Bible is used by Christians to give them guidance about how they can live their lives in the way God would want them to. The Bible is full of adventure, mystery, rules, but most importantly, everywhere you look in the Bible, you find a promise from God. The Bible's two major sections are the Old Testament and the New Testament. It has 66 books. And some of the stories you find in the Old Testament are creation story, Moses, Abraham. The Old Testament has 39 books, and New Testament has 27, which has stories about Jesus. For this course, we will be using the first 4 books of the Bible in the New Testament called Gospels: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Historical and geographical places in the Holy Land during Jesus' time: Jerusalem, Bethlehem, Bethany, Dead Sea, Jericho, Jordan River, Samaria, Nazareth, Cana, Sea of Galilee, and Capernaum. Now your job is to circle these places on the map that I've provided for you. So go in and find these places and keep this with you. We'll be referring to this map from time to time. This is your homework.